Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings for the human beings, for entities. Came to me that Galaxy Life. Yeah, Galaxy Life. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's try this one. It's a video, but I wanna play the game. And it's on Steam, I didn't know this. And I have Steam, I think. Let's watch the video. Don't eat it, mate. Bruh. That's people living. Bro, what did they use? Alright. Wait, what the heck? Oh yeah, 2022. Ooh, that was nice. That. Is it back? Oh, the UFOs, those are new. Yeah, oh, where's the taking? So 31 of. Oh, that's kind of decent. That's a juicy picture. That's a lot of things going on there. Things going on. Yeah, I don't know what's happening there. I think that's just a crater. Yeah. Oh, what the heck? Nah, I thought it was the other way around. That's so peak. Wait, so when was Galaxy Live made? Wait, it's an online game. Wait, 19th of August 2022. What do you mean? I think what it is yeah, they've changed it, like they've changed it as in Galaxy Live was already a thing. Was on. Huh? Galaxy Live was already a thing though. It's an OG game. And it's saying that I think and it's say yeah, I was gonna say that I think it's a Steam game and but it's an online game. You're right on that, but it wasn't on Steam. It wasn't on Steam. Galaxy Life online. Yeah, mini play. Look, Galaxy Life. Oh, wait. Okay, now this looks kind of sus now. This website. Oh, okay, never mind. I don't know. I'm probably just tripping, honestly. Oh, goofy as that. Wait, now it's telling me to log in. Um, It's telling me to like log in and stuff. Have they remade the game? I'm so confused. Have they remade the game? I was just on this app. I was just on this video. Thing. It wants me to log in, but I don't want to log in. I'm just that person, mate.
Voxy, the mobile network that gives you unlimited social media from just £10 a month.
I don't care about your advert, mate. Bro, you could have. It's free and required. Why do I need to sign in? I don't want to sign in. Bumbleclot. Bro, I don't want to sign in though. So what can we do about that? Play Galaxy Life online free. It's an online game. Yes, you are correct. It's an online game. Okay, this kind of looks. But why does it look like
Voxy, the mobile network that gives you unlimited social media from just £10 a month.
Sketchy. That's what I'm saying. Look kind of sketchy, mate. The way it looked like. Yeah, what? Yeah, look, it's you know what I mean. 2018, bro. That's what I'm talking about, mate. Oh, that's why it's probably saying that because I think they removed it because Flash was removed. I think Flash was removed, and most games was on Flash, so it's either that they convert or See, look, I'm not tripping. Is it OG game? Now it's on Steam. I don't think I'm able to play it. Sugar Plums. It's on Steam, so I have no choice but to put to download. I don't. Um, oh, bro, hold on. I need to check some. Alright. I don't have Steam downloaded, but I do have Steam. That's the funniest part. Like, let me type in Steam. Steam. I either have Steam or I'll just click on this. Oh, what the heck? Look at the eyeball. That's kind of funny, that isn't it? Don't send me to Internet Explorer, mate. Because if you do, then you're a poopy and you did. AK, it's Microsoft Edge. Put the spin to it. Shall I just play on? Shall I just literally log in? Nah, I'm gonna go on Chrome. But I kind of like it. It looks more clean now. But I don't use Microsoft Edge. It's not what I use. I use Chrome. I'm familiar with Chrome. Chrome is all I know, mate. So, log in Steam. Okay, now I'm gonna do my login. I'm gonna fill in the details. So, I'm gonna mute. Surprise. Look at that, mate. Now I just search up Bomber Club Galaxy Life, mate. We're active. We're about it. Come on. Play the fucking game, lads. Add to library. Oh yeah. Okay, let's play now, mate. Play now. Okay, let's go on my, what do you call it? My, what did I do it? Steam library. Right. Yeah, where's my Steam library? Where's my library? Where can I read Where can I go to visit my library? They brought it back, man. I'm so, bro. Catch a, why, bro? Is this one of those where you just don't compare? You just don't compare games. Like, you know, like for example, but that's bars. This was helpful. All right, okay, mate. All right, mate. Um, got Steam. No, it's not installed. I don't want to install it. Bro, just install is easy, bro. Look. Okay, well, I'm gonna install Steam now. So, yeah. I thought I'd have Steam, but clearly I don't. Uh, instant message your friends even while you play. Alright, okay. I thought it was like I'm playing my game and somehow I'm simultaneously instantly messaging, being basically an NPC. Yeah, of course. English. I speak English. Alright, mate. I don't know what I just clicked on. I mean, as in, obviously I knew what I clicked on because it got me energy. Point B. Because I don't know how much storage it used. That was the main thing. That, see, look, this thing, I'm used to seeing this every single day. I was seeing this, so I'm confused. I was kind of dazzled. How come Steam isn't installed on my laptop? Surely I should have Steam installed on my laptop. Oh, so it's an update. Okay. That's the update. I understand that. That's the update, mate. Uh, what packet is it extracting? You know what I would do? Like I literally would rest as this will take place. It's like I can't be doing that because I am recording. But it says it's installing the update here. Oh, I can't bring it there. So I'm gonna do. Okay, I can't do that either. Alright, I'm not clicking on that. That's why I haven't clicked on it. I haven't clicked on neither buttons, bro. But I'm just gonna be chilling at this point. I'm resting. I can't do this thing. Or we can still it in. You go at a distance. So.
What? It did something. I don't know what it just did because it's from Disney. But it should be running. It should, because there was a little box and I ticked it, which meant that it would run. So after I click finish, right, it will run like the Steam, the software. But then it began doing an update, so like kind of sus. But after the update, it should be running then. So I didn't run just so that it can update. I ran it so that I can literally use it. It that updated without my consent, mate. Okay, I assume this is the game now because it's on Steam, and I wanted to play the game, but I don't think it knows that. I don't know. Does it know or does it not know? We'll see. This is a black tree. It's like CMD command prompt. Oh wait, CMD command. Yeah. Probably I'll have to do that again.
Mate, I wanted to play online. Alright. Okay, it's connecting to Steam now. Because you know what it is? You know what it is actually? I'm able to buy games now. I'm in a position where I can actually buy games before. Like, I never bought games, but I have technically bought games, so I'm not against buying game. What it is though is I'm against buying anything in game. Or if I were to download like a free game, I would not spend money on a free game that I made. I'm no friends, bro. None of them are. Oh, none of them are just available. So yeah, I have it here now. Oh, his libraries here. I used to do Tournament battles, but now look. Okay, that's the space. So I had to have a weekly update. Oh, this is really recent. A regular update is the 17th of January. This is weekly update. I don't even know what that thing is. I'm looking at some yellow being. At least they're updating. At least they're active. Like, but it could be like Minecraft being bought by Microsoft, so it's kind of like poopy. You know what I mean? So this is the one that I did. So making content. I don't even know what that thing is. Like these things is like they're in a different world. Look at this Deadpool fan. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this dude. What is that Giga Chad? Oh, they speak some Espanol, bro. I don't speak that language, mate. Okay, this is new. What I'm looking at is new, mate. Never seen this kind of environment. It's basically Clash of Clans, mate. I think um, it was because of Steam. Steam did this. Wait, what did I do? Wait, what did I do, mate? Hold on, baby, second, mate. Whoa. We can. Oh yeah, I don't mind. I'm not showing that. I mean, she's literally take that off, yeah. Take that thing off, and she'll be naked, bro. Okay, that's weird. Look at that. That's sus, isn't it? Wait, why is? Oh, that's Minecraft, bro. That's launching. Look, all I do is this, and I go on library, and it's there for me opened. So I'm gonna install this game. Of course, I'm gonna install it. Who do you think I am? Create desk. You're about to install. Create start menu show. What's no, mate? No. Oh, okay. So that's how much disk space I have. But there's literally nothing, bro. It's black. How am I supposed to read it if it's black, mate? Alright. because what my intention is to literally record a video of me playing, and what all my intention was just play it online for a bit, and basically dip, because I felt like it just came to me. I was in the kitchen, right, and it just came to me, because I'm in the humid environment, you see it, so I'm in the kitchen, and it came to me, Galaxy Life. I'm gonna play it. I was like, I don't see why not. I don't see why not. And it seems like they removed Galaxy Life. I don't know when they did. I don't know why they did. Why was Galaxy Life removed? Because I don't remember this. Yeah. I knew it. Wait, what? Oh, declining popularity. So you can play it on Steam. You can play it using the Flash version, but they look. It's gonna be 404. Watch me. It's gonna be 404. And I don't want it to be 404. And it seems like I can't play it. I can't play. Where can I play the game? I'm not here to play the game. Where can I play the game? Bomba Clark. Wait, so it says here it's complex. Alright, that's actually good, you know, and is always like active. But yeah, I was meant to play the game on this website, and it seems that I just brought in some fandom, yeah, forum. Like it said download it here. You can play it using the Flash version. Download it here. Oh, but it got a cross, so it's crossed off, mate. What do you mean by that, mate? What do you mean by that? It's literally, yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna watch this video. I'm gonna watch. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Karate Boxer. That's kind of funny. That Karate Boxer. I think that's just his style. I thought, oh, he's learning from. But this is a must watch, mate. Because it was only highlights that I watched, and I don't like, you know. All right, it was literally highlights. But I can't believe I never played. I think apart from Bloons Tower Defense Battles, I never played. And at VR chat, I never played a game basically. Apart from these two, I wanted to say that this is my first game that I'm playing, but I've technically it was Blues TD Battles first, Blues Tower Defense Battle first that I've downloaded first, and then there was VR chat because of I Am Lucid, I think, and then I got this. Or I don't know what other reason. I think I Am Lucid was on a server. Have you? I don't even know. I don't know the reason for this because via chat the thing that pops up for me is I Am Lucid because it creates content on that, or it was a different YouTuber who creates via chat and he was live, and you know, because sometimes I Am Lucid is live. Yeah, he literally is live. He's kind of active in it, he chills and stuff like that on live stream. So it seems like it's performing first times. Oh, for Galaxy Live. Wait, okay, so it's launching, so it's doing something. I'm gonna let it do its thing, honestly. Seems like it's done it though, but it's cancelled. It means I've done something, and it's just cancelled. That means it's doing something, and then it's gonna say um play or something like that. But yeah, why was it not showing on my end? When Steam was opened, I had to go through this. Literally, I had to go through this but it should be like this, but it wasn't like this. Look, it's not there. All I have to do is this. Is that I full screened it. I can't pin this. Okay, now that's better. Look, so if that is off, that is on. Because literally I couldn't get to this. I had to go through this. And that should be like that. It's like you downloaded Chrome, or you have the tab open, or for some reason you can't get back to it even though you opened it. It's one of those. So yeah, I had to go through here, and it somehow worked because it's there. Steam is there. It'll be a huge problem if Chrome, if the same thing just happened but Chrome wasn't there. Oh yeah, I'm gassed. Wait, it must be uploading it now because it says stop, so it means it's playing. If it says stop, it must be playing. Look, I saw a bit of a load on my look. Oh, yo. So I'm gonna close this tab off. I'll close Spotify off. Yeah, close. I'm gonna watch that some other time, bro. Today is a Tuesday. All my days. I have forgotten. Oh, Plum. Cause why did I do it? Why did I? Bro, I've done this to myself, mate. Talking about, bro, I can't be shocked. But yeah, like I didn't want to make any progress, like literally. But I'm recording content, so I'm down. I'm down to do this. So I'm down to make some progress, and we'll catch back in the next episode for more progress. For the time being, we just got on it. We're gonna play some. Come on. So I'm down to change everything. Like this is new to me. I don't have an account. If I click on this button, oh, so if I create an account, you can register with Discord. What the heck? Discord is crazy. Um, okay. So I'm using Steam here, so I'm just gonna. You see that, don't you? What's a bit? Is it lagging? It says continue as Hypermonkey Cap, so no, I just logged in with Steam. So of course it's gonna say continue as Hypermonkey. So I just registered, and then it says continue, but that makes no sense. It says continue using Steam. I clicked on it, so it should have said that. So if I close, I don't think I should do that because if I close, is it like Roblox? Like if I close this, then does it close the game? No, it doesn't close the game. Alright. I should be able to play Galaxy Life now. I didn't know. I thought Galaxy Life stole Clash of Clans Flow, but now it's the opposite. I didn't know that. I never knew that. I didn't even know that Clash of Clans stole its idea from other games. I thought Clash of Clans was the original, and you have Heyday, and that is stolen from Clash of Clans because it's under the same company called Supercell. No, Supercell, and then Clash of Clans, Supercell, Heyday. Yeah, Clash of Clans on top. I'm telling you, but I didn't know that. All my days, that they stole Galaxy Life is fraud. They stole other game ideas. You know. Now I want to see the other kind of PP games that Clash of Clans stole. It just comes as a shocker to me because I thought it was original. I thought they, obviously, I think with all games, they're all like all things in general. Everything is inspired one way or another. So, i.e., people would steal ideas to create their own big idea, but their big idea consists of little ideas that is not from them but from others, and they claim their own. It's like a kid who copied another kid's homework and just changed the flow a bit, so it's like his, but it isn't. So he did. So it was the person that copied, the person's homework that got copied. He, bless me. He was the one that did the most effort. So like the guy that copied does the least effort. The thing that he used to do is copy it up. And if it's written, of course it's gonna be a bit faster because you're just copying, you're not using your mind, and that's why you shouldn't copy or you shouldn't cheat because you're not using your mind. You're not learning. Like, the point of going to school is to learn, and but people like to justify why they cheat. You shouldn't be doing it. It's the wrong way to do things, okay? Because you could just take that quality and apply it in your other areas of life, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to first develop a bad habit and let that take over and allow it to take over or restrict it, but you still have it in other areas in your life. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Honestly, I'm just gonna be patient. If it surprised me with a login thing, then I don't know what else to be surprised of. We'll see for a bit. If it doesn't do anything, then we'll just get Steam up again and we'll load it. Because I don't know if this is part of it. It should be doing this actually. I will close it actually. We'll go through Steam again. We'll go on Galaxy Life. It's gonna launch it again, so gonna take a bit of time. So the app is running. So if I search Galaxy Life, it's not here though. I just closed it. So yeah, it just made a file folder. Oh right, never mind then. So I have to go back on Steam. Galaxy Life should be what the heck? Okay, now it's doing this. Okay, continuous Hypermonkey. Now it's working. Now we're here. What is this? This is what we're talking about. I don't know what I just accepted, but this is what we're talking about. This is new. This is new graphics. Like, what is poopy graphics? Like, this is not new to me. It's been so long since I heard this tune. I used to bash this game. Firebit has found this planet. You must be careful. Is this copyright music? Can I use this? We're gonna use it, but it's kind of loud. So we're gonna do. Oh yeah. That's how we're gonna do it. And then we do that. So before we continue, how can I mute this? Hold on. So if I put my volume down, then can you still hear me? Like, how does it work? Does the laptop, does it matter? I mean, I can't hear anything because it's at 4, but because I put the volume down, does it affect yours? So because I'm uploading this, my uploading this on YouTube, so for my viewers here listening and watching, do you hear a difference? Because I've just put it on 4. But if I increase it, will you hear it more? Because now I hear it. But can you hear me though? Or will it be very low? Yeah. So what was the point here? Oh yeah, I think I was explaining the fact that I used to bash this game, and what I did was I went on that mini game or that key website, and I played. I think Kiwi made that. Yeah, I think they all had. Basically, I went on an online website, had a game that had an opposing for error. Literally, I think it was on Kiwi or just another online website, and I would play. I think it was doing some. It had like a game console logo. It was like a blue logo, and it was kind of like a kind of blue theme. And I'd play Galaxy Life on that website, and I had an account. And actually, I think I made a fake account. Either that or I made a fake account, and I was kind of active as well. So, like there was players, people like enemies and people playing, and it's good that they brought it back now. There's probably still people playing. There's that Clash of Clans, I don't play it, but there's probably others that play it. Same with Agar, no, I don't play Agar, I think it's dead on YouTube. People still play the game. You know, so what they mean by that is the popularity that they used to have. So of course it's not dead. So you could say a guy isn't dead. The same Galaxy Life, you know, or whatever have you. Point being is that I used to bash the game and I made plenty of progress. But then I don't know what happened. I think, or I just have like at one sitting, or I just keep tab open and I literally just play the game and I've made progress. Or it came to the point where either I maxed out or it got too long or something like that where I couldn't continue, I had to like sign in, or I just didn't play the game. The music's kind of loud though, like, I don't know how to do that. Oh. I'm gonna decrease. I like the music, but it's kind of like I'm just gonna leave it like that. I hope you can still click on build to see the available turn it. Bro, this is literally, look, this is exactly why I thought Clash of Clans stole Galaxy Life Explore. This is literally like Clash of Clans, mate. You have a cannon, and you have what was it, like goblins that tried to raid your base? Yeah, goblins, literally. Alright, but I'm not gonna spend that. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Why do I need to? They're training me to be instant, but I'm not gonna click on it. Oh, why did I click on it? I think I might wait 5 minutes. Because that chip costs money, and also fact that chip costs money. You can't. It's literally it's like things that you can't get in the game. I think you can't get this in the game. You can't earn it, but you can through doing challenges. Point being is this is the type of currency that you don't mess with. Basically, it's like this is monopoly money, but this is real money. You want to use your monopoly money, but you don't want to use your real money. It's common sense, isn't it? So I want to wait, but it's not building shit, so I can click on it. I should have waited 5 minutes, but it said there was no progress. I think the game was tricky. Oh, it's too late now anyway. Oh yeah, it does the area of effect damage. Literally, you get wizards. In Clash of Clans, you get wizards. We get these bad dub boys. I'm wondering if we keep these. Like in Clash of Clans, you have it like your wizards, right? Great. These Starlinators guarantee our victory. 4 and 5, 5-bit in a planetary. I don't even know what I clicked on. I don't even know what planetary is. Look, reptiles. I remember you. I think some online person. I remember you as well. Or is it some online thing? I think these are actually. So I'm online right now. I think these are other planets. Oh, I think I'm the main character here. Oh, I know that guy as well. What kind of is this guy? I don't really know that guy. Oh, 5-bit. 5-bit. Oh, so, like, this is new. Look, you know this thing? I think it means they have 0 one of these, and I got one of these. can spy as well, but they got 10 units as well. Is it? Or do I have 10 units? Well, I can't even spy it. It won't let me. But units will never come back, so that's why I'm not going to 10. I'm not gonna deploy all 10. Click multiple times on a few areas. Oh, that was good. Well, I don't know. So, do I have a time duration? Oh, it seems like I do. I don't know what this is for, maybe because I'm reading a bit. Let's see how good this is. Well, literally, I don't need to do anything. Oh, look at that. Yeah, rich. Speed as well. What? I didn't do. Bruh. I can't get rid of it. I wasn't meant to do two. It's good that they got the timer thing. I think they didn't have that before. It's like Clash of Clans. Like they're just something that they didn't have. But I think during a raid, you couldn't speed it up. That's kind of different, you know, with that character line. Okay. Oh, you get one chip anyway, so I'm not happy. I can attack Elder by that. It's funny. Hold on, let me visit the guy. Let's see what he's saying. That'd be funny if I raid the guy. I'll be laughing my butt off, mate. So I can help the guy. How did I help him? Oh yeah, you also get these things. Oh, that is new. Never seen those things. Wait, so what? Wait, I don't understand how am I helping the guy, mate? So I'm gonna help the guy, then I'm gonna raid the guy. Wait, what friends? No help. Clicks left today. I can raid the guy. But I wanna. Oh, we stranded peace treaty. When was this? How can I decline this? I wanna raid the guy. Yeah, he looks like a nice guy, but I wanna look at the beauty, look at those. Bro, I want to raid the heck out of this place. Look, that thing, I've never seen that before. These things, decoration. Never in my life, yeah. Alright. So we've done a bit. Let's go. Go home, yeah. Let's go to our crib. So that's 60 we get. Oh, so we need no time, no items, only chips. Yep, never use chips. So I'm gonna play tomorrow as well. Oh yeah. You get these things as well, worker tools, like. And this time thing, what's this for anyway? Oh. So I'm gonna come here tomorrow, of course. And yeah, there's just things you can unlock and stuff, like it's like the more you know what I'm saying? Honestly, in my honest opinion, when things get long, it's like fun is not really there now. When things take long time, like in Clash of Clans, all my days, well, it takes, I don't know if this was true, but I think back in the days, it really took, back in the days, we only used gold. I wasn't in those days, but those was like, there was only good, and I was there when spells, you can only get one, they cook for a long time, I think 30 minutes, and there's no elixir, there's only gold, and that's why they got elixir, not elixir, so that there was some balance in the game, you see. Yeah, I just noticed these packages, my stuff. And yeah. Hold yeah, I think it took 40 days to upgrade one thing. I don't think it was a tunnel either. It was crazy, man. Can I provoke him? Can I click on him? But yeah, we'll have to leave it here then, don't we? Before we do, its powerful energy comes directly from the mana trees and sap. You might get it by helping in your friend's planets. Like planets this I have. But I don't know what this thing is. Oh, wait, what? Okay, it's already on my wish list. Also, this was already here. Wait, but I don't know what that plus thing is. Work is needed because let's face it, restore needs tend to triple collect from compact houses. You'd be amazed at the amount of tools that workers store here. You might get it by helping in your friend's planets, such as friend planets, compact houses, destroy starbase for tasks together. All worker tasks needs a mallet. Just watch out when they use it. Obviously, just what the ones that in Clash of Clans like. I just can't believe that Clash of Clans store their flow. Anyway, I don't have to like log out or like do anything special here. I can literally there's no button to leave the game either. You just close it. Simple as. You don't want to play it, close it. But yeah, I have to pray now. Further timing. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like, that's the thing, bro. Like, if I stayed up for these like dunya things, of course I'm gonna make the sacrifice because for the deen you get me. But yeah, I'm gonna admit, time, bro, time.